Prime Minister Narendra Modi will participate in a G7 outreach summit in Apulia, Italy today. The special IAF aircraft carrying the mortal remains of 45 deceased in the fire mishap in Kuwait landed at the Cochin International Airport this morning. Union Minister of Jal Shakti Ministry C.R. Patil reviewed the progress of Namami Gange mission projects in New Delhi. Union Minister of State for Food Processing Industries Ravneet Singh Bittu chaired a review meeting with senior officials of the ministry in New Delhi. In the ICC Men's T20 World Cup Cricket, Afghanistan defeated Papua New Guinea by 7 wickets in the Group C match at the Brian Lara Stadium in Trinidad this morning.